In this module, we will review where to download the Take Control agent and how to install the agent on a customer device. Unattended sessions do not require a customer to be present on the device while the technician works on it. A common example of an unattended session is performing maintenance on a server. Prior to initiating an unattended session, the Take Control agent must be installed on the customer's device. The Take Control agent is available for download in the administrator area and from the technician console. There are multiple methods to install the Take Control agent, which include installation during a live attended session with the customer, while the technician guides the customer through the agent installation, or a batch install using the Windows MSI installer, or download to individual Windows, Mac, or Linux devices. Once the agent is installed on a customer device, it appears in the technician console. A green check indicates the device is online and ready for connection.